I am pleased to inform to the general public and the business community of Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur, and Manipur Industrial Development Corporations are jointly going to organize a buyer-seller meet on coming 10th and 11th October of 2025.
Haiba event asida handloom handicraft product, agri-food product, green and eco-friendly product mayamama showcase tawjagani.
This high-impact summit aims to connect global buyers with Indian and international sellers.
Foreign buyer seller kharasu yaurokani aduduna it's a good opportunity for all the MSMEs in Manipur.
Lamdam asigi business asibu kadamna chawkhalahangdagi hana lerimiba issues and challenges insibu kadamna kokadagi haibidu amutana khanajagani.
Manipur Global Business Summit, Buyers and Sellers Meet.
City Convention Center of Pangkok Chagani.
Adugidamak ski haiba ekoi makhada piba hotel asida register tawduna sargan nesi haina mayam thanjai.